Academic goal setting. We will discuss steps to setting goals to ensure your academic success. Why set goals? It's important to set goals so that we create structure in our lives and connect what we're doing in our lives now to what we want to achieve throughout the balances of our life. Goals are milestones we want to achieve. Goals bring meaning to our lives. They give us power when we set and achieve them. Goals allow us to develop independent and critical thinking skills. And goals also allow us to grow as individuals, free from outside interference. As you can see, goals are very important to set and achieve. There are different types of goals: long-term goals, mid-term goals, and short-term goals. Long-term goals are major life targets that take many years or more to achieve. An example of a long-term goal would be achieving a high position within a career path. Mid-term goals are important goals that may be achieved in a few years. A midterm goal would be completing your degree. Short-term goals are goals that may be achieved within a year or less and require immediate action. These goals include completing a paper or project on time or finishing a particular class with a certain grade. It is important to imagine your goals. Imagining your goals helps us to make our goals sink into our unconscious mind. Imagining your goals also provides inspiration, energy, and perseverance to work towards those goals. Let's change the meaning of GPA. Instead of grade point average, let's think of GPA as goal plan action. Let's explain GPA, or goal plan action. Here we want to define a goal. Remember, this includes short, mid, and long-term goals. Choosing a goal means deciding what you value. Write down your goals to make them real. Make sure you are flexible in these goals. They may change over time, so make sure you write them out multiple times. Remember, if a goal changes, make sure you write down the new one. Devise a plan to achieve your goal. Consider several ways or plans to achieve your goal. Choose the plan that works best for you and for your goal. Work vigorously to accomplish it. Don't try to beat the clock, but use effective strategies to execute the plan. Take action. Goals and plans will never be accomplished without specific action. Make sure you set specific action steps as part of your plan to achieve your goal. Let's go over some steps in determining goals. The first step is brainstorm. In this step, write down possible goals and ideas without editing at first. Make sure you let the ideas flow organically and honestly. Once finished, group similar ideas together in a main idea. The second step is plan. In this step, make sure you focus on one goal. Once you have your goal, plan steps needed to achieve that goal. The third step is to list your strengths. This includes listing all of your academic strengths as well as listing your strong personal qualities. The final step is to assess your weaknesses. Write down your academic weaknesses. Consider any personal obstacles you will need to overcome. Set mini goals. Setting mini goals helps establish confidence in goal setting and achievement. A great way to set mini goals is to break down large obligations into smaller, more manageable ones. Be sure mini goals are linked to larger goals that are time-specific, realistic, and achievable. Set stretch goals, not ones that can't be achieved, but ones that may take some effort to accomplish. Set mini goals. Setting mini goals helps establish confidence in goal setting and achievement. A great way to set mini goals is to break down large obligations into smaller, more manageable ones. Be sure mini goals are linked to larger goals that are time-specific, realistic, and achievable. Set stretch goals, not ones that can't be achieved, but ones that may take some effort to accomplish. Here we have an example of how to use goal setting with a research paper. Brainstorm research topics for 1 hour on Monday. Complete internet and library research for 3 hours on Tuesday. Gather and organize research materials and notes for 2 hours on Wednesday. Within this step, you can also create an outline with structure and major points for paper. Begin writing essay on Thursday and Friday for 4 to 6 hours. This includes intro paragraphs with main points, body paragraphs, and conclusion. Here, we will discuss strategies for task scheduling, just as we did in the example in the previous slide. Make sure you schedule fixed time blocks with clear starting and stopping times. Set realistic, achievable goals. Avoid scheduling marathon study sessions and plan for the unexpected.